Tuma GH. Midi Edinana Ama Obusa na ensema trendy the edi him ne will be a eka 17 and no enamede ebrew. Na endrata elebeto just say a capin polo ninsa to be so now we are in Saturn so no you'll be exo na so stone now or grinding always the way be our yenisa na ebeto just say capin polo de somadina adingma Nigerian actor was hired the ex-boyfriend of Regina Daniels ebetu on Instagram post no say was yes he's all mine no and my Ghana for do na be say be and 70 some comment was say say capin polo e ba so da ben enti my Ghana for any bloggers ya kasam di echire shemu akọ say then na ekoso e was Martina on also the page our Instagram me sha otimu say ampa there is something between the two of them relationship no e yade ekoso one on both sides e capin polo e test ya na Martina so abe comment was say otimu say wo mo don ama Somadina cry astati esua chikasa because of a capin polo. I'm what chokra at target capin polo say me don just say over so on capin polo so what don cry don casa e don baby wo fiba no. They say there oko Nigeria hey Somadina post bi enu anase ne casa ye bi enima won fa a capin polo enkan wo kasa keke wo yi movie or ye dem cry capin polo or can cry man ye dey say capin polo or can ni abi eti the girlfriend na edin na den no na we na make capin polo just say we no so ni je abro no so no so flaunt somebody na all around because I say why bold enough say obi a wo dating no nkofo be bra mo celebrities no mo date ya wo mo de mo base hide date say wo mo girlfriends and wo boyfriends no wo mo fan to be dem say na nkofo ehu wo mo echi say o date more than one person say na nkofo ehu echi nti wo mo fan to just but say something na enya kukudro say odini din kra flaunt all over social media the videos mo tagging all the time no am on so do say decided from the beginning to nko fan na metu jama wo bi ehu no the way boy na ye na man ni agento no so de ne betu ja twe odo de ama no na odo wo de ma no wo be dwom wo bia ehu bi na o ka na sa no chiro to assess so Madina my love for life and I gonna phobia maybe almost social media mo da na ajo bi amfa na semanto almost so ebe bisa won sem and I gonna say na we capin polo ye no na te Ghana Donzi Chaka and no dey comment we ebe to ase wo say na we capin polo ye no na te Ghana say nti wo ba te say Ghana mema ye hunye te say ye hu bi anya na say dey pa na wo pa che say Ghana mema ne u taste ni wana no wetimi fi Ghana borders etima bora Togo apa Togo era Benin asa part Benin akọ ra Nigeria akọ pe so Madina we Regina Daniels the ex-boyfriend na it then I walk check Ghana mema na Nigeria mema no wo mbum Ghana mada we Becca and ni kunu our refima Nigeria ni bi no our dating Ghana celebrity wo motimi stay together am motimi form relationship as stay longer as say every our room enti Nigeria for member no wo mo shede embu Ghana ye celebrity center identity na capin polo eyi nani efi Ghana member so akope Nigerian men and capin polo be to just say mu Ghana for mu yesa and say Ghana member mu kasa mu nipa prone for mu ye boapa ye say mu ya hypocrites sana o chemo na say so no watra Ghana have for 2 good years why single or bema be enu o timi enya kukudro opportunity to capin polo we fine girl the way we nim see SCT was slim or hips or twerking say ma kono enu timi feel mu nka bi da just say mu hunu kra na mu ro mu hunu kra na mu gudu ni ma say ade wa anya video bi ade wa post ni picture bi just say mu be twa bona ya na ama na kan ma me aka ni just say ne na nka so ani ha no ne wo bi no de onye Ghana ni na so owo good vision na say wo hunu yie no wetimi aba apem aka say wo no open no propose to no open no so happen depend so ni be date afre na Ghana for member mo dem application letter ba mo forget it clan be bia no e capin polo we do no odo awobu ama Somadina no ene na Ghana ni bi everything nsem ne 4x1 discussion bi na application letter bi ebetwi na adwen efri Somadina ehun because say ade wo munye no matter mo asese wo mo dom no mo pra ko ama capin polo ka edika ho say wo chen class Somadina wo ba be hia onu e capin polo no busuafo no mo di ye atuye se na aware kwan so no wo metimi akabom no mabo omo bra na odi asem ebetu na Ghana focus say mu pa de obranti enti wo tini fie onya na sunnie no mpe ninti nka masa e wo Nigeria na wani kire Ghana ha e capin polo pe and I would in the Ghana. And now all they just what they do so yeah twinning can be twinning can be twinning no and no na wo so ma na won ti bi da I just say I'm when you blink am we capin polo pe and I open no obi a small guy who pe one sem quiet guy who na mo baby din no who do who ever bata e capin polo controversial woman asem bi e betwe mo Ghana ha bi odi na no tum ka bi o no mum and I Ghana for the woman chabo so ma na account say esan say wode no ho abebeta eye capin polo e bi mo so ka say oh na say capin polo or your nice girl or your beautiful girl and in ejuma and o social media aside social media and the lifestyle watch no enye no dey better describing it for the normal day life or on a private life yes or live it every day the few minutes of spending on social media na here Ghana for they are judging and say you're controversial or you say aside that on the personal life it's one here boy no we're getting close to if capin polo sorry and when who is to baby and what shame no who say girl we send the two by till bet me na because social capin polo oh then normal day no or a nice girl and it's who is an open what is the problem with it and I Ghana for you trying to send up say kase gum the say Google do say yen pen on quad and mo bi am pen no da bi esa na Ghana for ya yen atwum it is a girl no capin polo we nya so imagine as wo be dona yen say yen commend you mo yen go mo say support you no ntimi entu po e wo relationship na ntimi wie papa because I've shown no wie papa e koma yen ni ni papa mu a yen Ghana and e be benefiting yen bo mo say na say yen support you mo instead than say yen condemn girl no na Ghana for e can say no e bi edo magin kire abetu jawa ha e fa capin polo ene Somadi na Adinma Nigerian actor no a relationship we say we fi endowment queen for real say o say capin polo now finally girls in Ghana will sweat and cry blood capin polo too has his own has her own man I say the radiasio ye the radiase capin polo say see ade wudin better say see ade Ghana for ma wo jealous no wo munya wo ni be we say wo so wo sa to bi so Somadi na Adinma so a wo so ebetimi ade wo say so bo so wo so wo bi a wo do enti wo bo wo say endowment queen for real and ade we betu dwa we so the other if black arabia wo say enjoy people enjoy don't mind anybody at all we so the we born about say people enjoying the relationship o man ni nji e won the relationship no mema na fa na adwen ento do bia be ka so because na me na ye na dom and no so etimi be hia ne de ono so ne de wo mu na wo be hia nti o man ni nji e won the relationship a we na emu we so efi God and the real I say this guy no like peace he doesn't love himself to he doesn't love himself he no like peace to move from his hometown with all the pretty nice girls in Nigeria the quiet ones that don't give problem to come to Ghana and come and carry our own problem from here I'm sorry for their household I say Somadi na Adinma won ba sundwe oye di this de bi o chop picture na nim just waka na atum jobre won ka hwe na wa nim din sa no say won ba sundwe no won ba sundwe go ba sundwe pa nka won me fa Ghana ha say Ghana munya ya how kese pa ye capin polo o me fan so say no ene oba wo pe na we de wo tese wo hunu mo bokrampo o ye sorry ema ono ene efel ye capin polo wo mu fia wo mo ebebem say efia odon dia kama no ama okay there's a next time there was social media but the capin polo and one self and I make no ene capin polo we so there what the abetuja every Sunday or see the girl is nice. If a guy like Somadi na who is also nice comes approaches her to propose her, why are the guys acting like hypocrites? Ghanaian boys never like the good girls. They always want it to be taken away from them before they complain. Masa, mano born you must always so they are better that just a Ghana memo. O wano embonum o mo ye mo te se de o mo mpe ade o mo ni wo mpa so mo ye o mo ni se de o mo mpe o mo che ase obi mefa nko obi mefa ko wi a na afi de mo bi ma no e na mo be complain na me kan se ba kese dabi mo nya kokudro nya no ankose ne pe no se si ada no de wo si obi foforo na ye oye ne de enti Ghana for and Ghana mema mo ntina se no ntimi tell relationship ase e wo asundwo ma mo me say relationship rekra mo capin polo because when na me ayi na don ne sa atobi so after 2 years of of being single. Na in summer I will ban Ghana for me kasa making can edia mama kasa ebi enika ebi ebufu draw so. And the wo fie so they wo hwe me asama wo kafa ekwapim polo ne new guy awenya eti omumie no wo mokoso in peaceful relationship no then and obetimi akafa the obetimi akabia no obetimi dey about too much comment section ebi so obetimi a share video we amado for wunwan mo bibia wo be obia no so I get informed with the latest trend in our nation Ghana. Meeting Adenana Ama Owusa. Can only say anytime there updates via babyano, may serve more ever has say too much GH. Stay tuned by clicking on the subscription bell. If you so, oh yeah, Samia a year bell no so red bell no so send a bit me any notification. I will phone so time biara a bit upload any video piano. Meeting Adenana Ama Owusa, Macram.